Hi guys, welcome back to the Game of Trading channel. This is Parker. I'm so glad that you guys are showing good response on my previous videos. With your good response and feedback, I'm back with my new video. Kindly watch till the end. Well, my today's video is about Indian stock market timings and global market timings. Trading on the Indian equity segment takes place on all weekdays. There is no trading on Saturday and Sunday. And published Indian stock market holidays declared by the Indian Stock Exchange in advance. The opening and closing time of share market in India are as follows. The market opens at 9:15 am and closes at 3:30 pm. Market opens at 9 am in the morning. From 9 am to 9:15 am, there will be a pre-open session. Pre-open trade session will be from 9 am to 9:15 am. Pre-open trade session is a 15-minute trade session from 9 am to 9:15 am on the 50 stocks of Nifty index. Only 50 stocks of the Nifty index can be traded during this time on both NSE and BSE. Normal trading for all other stocks will start at 9:15 am till 3:30 pm. Why pre-market session? Pre-market session is maybe a game changer sometimes. In case a major event or announcement comes overnight before market opens, such events are likely to bring heavy volatility on the next day when the market opens. Special events include merger and acquisition announcements, open offers, delisting, debt restructurings, credit rating downgrades, etc., which may have a deep impact on investors' wealth. In order to stabilize this, pre-open call auction is conducted to discover the right price and to reduce volatility. Let's have a look on breakup of 15 minutes. The 15 minutes of pre-open session is broken into 8 plus 4 plus 3 minutes. The first 8 minutes during this session, investors can place, modify, cancel orders on the basis of which the exchanges would determine the rates at which trading would happen. Orders are not accepted after this initial 8 minutes. Limit orders will get priority over market orders at the time of execution of trades. All orders shall be disclosed in fully quantity, that is, orders were revealed, quantity function is enabled, will not be allowed during the pre-open session. In the next 4 minutes, orders are matched, executable, price is discovered, and trades are confirmed. The next 3 minutes is just a buffer period for transmission from pre-market sessions to normal market session. Price discovery. The equilibrium price shall be the price at which the maximum value is executable. This is the price at which there are maximum number of buy orders and sell orders. In case of more than one price meets the set criteria, the equilibrium price shall be the price at which there is minimum order imbalance quantity, unmatched quantity. Further, in case more than one price has same minimum order imbalance quantity, the equilibrium price shall be the price closest to previous day's closing price. In case the previous day's closing price is the mid value of a pair of prices which are closest to it, then the previous day's closing price itself shall be taken as the equilibrium price. In case of corporate action, previous day's closing price shall be the adjustable closing price or the base price. If the price is not discovered in pre-open session, then the orders entered in the pre-open session will be shifted to the order book of the normal market following time priority. The price of the first trader in the normal market shall be the opening price. Price band of 20% shall be applicable on the securities during pre-open session. Once again, I am repeating the timings of Indian stock markets are 9 a.m. to 9:15 a.m. pre-opening session, 9:15 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. normal trading session, 3:30 p.m. to 3:40 p.m. closing price calculation, and 3:40 p.m. to 4 p.m. post-closing session. Regional stock markets. Apart from the BSE and NSE, there are 21 regional exchanges. We were already discussed in my earlier videos, which open at normal hours 9:15 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. Let's have a look on global market timings. Global market timings. Apart from this, Indian markets global trends in stocks also affect the Indian market. That's why I'm having a look on global markets timings. When it opens, here is a list of opening time of a stock markets around the world. World stock market timings according to Indian time. Shanghai Stock Exchange opens at 7:30 a.m. Hong Kong Stock Exchange opens at 7:55 a.m. Tokyo Stock Exchange opens at 5:50 a.m. South Korea opens at 5:50 a.m. NYSE New York opens at 8:30 p.m. Nasdaq opens at 8:30 p.m. Bovespa Brazil opens at 7 p.m. Bogota Colombia opens at 7 p.m. Dow Jones opens at 7:30 p.m. Hope you all like this video. Before winding up my today's video, my humble request is to kindly watch each and every video till the end and subscribe and share. Thank you.